Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rinku Art, and in today's video I'll tell you about the strokes, how to practice the drawing strokes. In my last video I have told you what is the importance of stroke and how to do the stroke drawings or how to practice, but that one was part 1. So in this video I'll explain you detail like how to practice drawing so that your drawing stroke will improve. So let's get started.
Hey, welcome everyone. You are watching the channel Rinku Art.
So whenever you are drawing any character, or suppose you are drawing anything like landscape or objects, hold your pencil like this. If you are drawing in a small area like this, then you can use your wrist, as I have told you in my previous video. So suppose I will draw one character. See, okay, smooth. If your wrist will stuck some on the surface of the paper and you will draw this type of oval, it will not come that freely. I'll show you that also. See, it's not going that much, but it is coming, but it is coming in a very small area. If I'll try for big area, I have to move my hand. Okay, so I'll do some practices. These are all I am telling you to improve your strokes. I have got the comment that how to improve our drawing strokes. So these are the things I am showing you in this video. Okay, fine. So as you are into the character designing process and you want to improve your strokes in drawing, so you need to practice these things. First of all, before this, you need to practice this lines. Okay, why? To make your hand free, like this. You should not practice these lines on the white paper. Instead, you can practice these lines on the newspaper or the rough papers you have with you. Okay. Around 5 to 10 minutes at the beginning you can practice these exercises, and after then you can switch over to your character designing. Here you don't have to design your character, just to make a rough character. But while drawing the character you need not have to think about the lines. Just hold your pencil very lightly and think about the character, what he or she is doing. Fine. Here the rule is you should not hold the pencil very tightly. You need to hold your pencil very lightly, and it should not touch, the hand should not touch the paper, only slightly. This area you can touch it for the support. Okay. In my previous video I have told you to draw some gestures, though I have not yet made any videos on gesture. So just to give an idea, you can make these type of gestures. There is no boundary, like you have to do the character like this only. You can design a realistic drawing as well. whatever you want you draw. There is no strict rule like it will look nice, you have to show these drawings to somebody. It's not like that. This is only for you, and you need to practice this type of exercises every day to improve your strokes in drawing. If you have idea to draw cartoon character in different poses, you can do more characters or more drawings or more poses with this type of exercises. Like you have to hold the pencil lightly, and you should not think about the line strokes. Only thing you have to think about the character, how it will look, or different poses. If you are unable to find some poses in your mind, then go for some comics, or like I have told you before also, you can follow Asterix. It's a good comics and good poses are there in that comics, so go for that. I'll show you that book. When I was studying in Kolkata, I purchased this book, and see, here you can find more poses of any character you can take, and you can just take the outline and you can draw it. Like I'll show you, suppose this character, okay, what you'll do, you need not have to draw this character. I'll show you. See, you need not have to draw this character exactly the same, but you have to take the gesture. Gesture means what? Gesture means what? I'll show you. Here one head is there, okay, oval. Then the line of action, I have not told you about the line of action, but you can see, I'll just give you a brief idea about line of action, that this character has a line of action like this. See, one arc is there, so that I'll follow. With that, like this. These exercises are to improve your drawing strokes, not your drawing. Drawing will come later on, and when you will practice these type of exercises, automatically these strokes will come into your drawing or in your character which you are designing. So it's more important to draw these type of characters without any face, without any volume. Okay, I'll show you like this. See this. See how I'm holding the pencil. This one, and don't go for detail, only the shapes like round, lines, ovals. You need to find out the shapes, and then you go for the line strokes. See how I am doing the hand. Here I am finding the volume, rough volume, and I am doing twice, thrice. Slowly it will come the strokes. Okay, got it? Few more I'll show you. There are different shape and sizes of the character you will find in this comics, so go for it. And avoid using the e-books because you can't carry those books everywhere, and while you are using your hard copy, means this notebook or comic book, then you can take it and draw beside it. Suppose I will go for this pose. See how I am holding the pencil like this, not touching the surface. Okay. Then what I'll do, first I'll make the circle. This is the head portion. Okay. Then what? Here one more. See, this is the chest portion. Then what I'll do, the stomach portion. Nose. And don't be afraid of the lines if those lines what you are drawing are going here and there. Okay, because this is not to draw the exact character. Instead, these are for your strokes, the drawing strokes. Okay. No need of drawing the fingers. This type of exercises you have to do, taking some character and practice the line over that. Okay. See, line practice. Okay. And head, legs, even you can practice the face also. Here close-ups are there, you can go for those close-up as well. Fat character you are practicing before, now you can go for thin character. See, this I am showing you. So this type of exercise you can do. Okay. I was talking about the close-up, so I'll show you the close-up as well. Yes, the last one. This one. I think this no. So here the face, the nose, the ears, then the hand, if you want you can make the face, but that too also you should not go for the exact detail, because that is not your priority here. Okay. Some strokes means what you understood right now, I think. These are lines, strong lines. See, before I was drawing, the line quality was not that perfect, but later on it was coming. See, so before practicing these type of things, first thing you have to do the lines and circles. I'll tell you once again, even though I have told you in my previous video. This is the circle, then this one you can say 8, like this, from both the side, from this side and this side as well. This one is also, you have to do the same both sides, like circle if you are drawing from one side, then another side as well. Okay, lines from left to right and right to left. And if you are drawing one single line here, then try to draw another line on that line. Okay, at least 5 to 10 times you can draw. Then this one vertical line, this also you have to do the same from top to bottom and from bottom to top. Then you can draw like this slant line from this. Even though it is not coming perfectly, you have to practice, because you have to make your hand free. After then, this one is the step 1. Then second step, you have to take some book, comic book, or if you have any idea in your mind of some character to draw some poses, then you can do that also. Later on you will practice, then you will get to know that the character is improving, the line stroke is improving instead, and slowly the line quality, the strokes will come into your character which you are designing or anything else. And that's it for now, and keep practicing. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please hit the thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Till the next video, see you, bye bye.